Welcome to Week 10 of the FX Trader's Edge Trade of the Week series on the Forex markets. My name is Jody Samuels, and I'm glad you're back. And again, I wish you a very successful 2008 trading. Today, we are going to talk about the pound yen versus the stock markets and where we expect the markets to trade next week. But before we do, I know many of you probably made New Year's resolutions to become successful traders this year. Let me help you fulfill those New Year's resolutions and help you treat trading like a business, take it seriously, and produce those consistent profits that you truly deserve to make. If you are watching this video, then you are hopefully interested in how I trade. And if you are, then I would recommend that you sign up for my Elliott Wave course starting February 1st. Enroll today and access the 4 online modules immediately. We go through 1 module per week, with each week ending with a live online session with me taking you through some live examples. There is a promo going on now where if you sign up for the course, you will get 1 month free of my online trading room, a value of $130. So it's not as if you're going to take the course and then be stranded. Every single day we discuss course concepts in the OTA as we look at the markets and come up with trades. There is ongoing live support, and it doesn't get any better than that. And I have a dynamite team working with me to support your success. I teach this course through Trading Post Financial, so please go to tradingpostfinancial.com/Elliott Wave/ or fxtradersedge.com to register for the Elliott Wave course. And now, on to the pound yen. Last week we talked about the head and shoulders pattern in the pound yen and showed you ultimately where it will likely go over the next few months. We learned that markets do not move in one direction, however, and when looking at a daily chart, there is ample opportunity to get into a trend move, and there is never a good reason to chase a move. This week we will continue to follow this currency pair, especially in light of the global market turmoil that ensued. We are going to discuss this pair in the context of the stock markets, and the proxy that we will look at is the S&P. This week, the pound yen hit a low of 204.65 as all of the yen pairs pummeled on the back of global stock markets collapsing. It wasn't until the U.S. Federal Reserve Open Market Committee decided to lower its target for the Fed funds rate by 75 basis points to 3.5% that the global stock markets recouped their losses immediately and showed some stability. As you can see, the low in the S&P mirrored the low in the pound yen, and both rallied in lockstep with each other. Today the rally ended, and both the S&P and the pound yen sold off together. Back at the ranch in my trading room, we were discussing the possible bottom on the pound yen, and we were discussing entry strategies. In fact, there were 2 great entry points for the swing trades. The first buy was at 206.65 as we came off the bottom to form a 1-2-3 reversal pattern. We've discussed this pattern before on previous videos. This is by far my favorite reversal pattern to use. The second entry was at 209.25. And the first profit objective was 210.45 and the second target was 214.05. The actual price high was 214.07. Uncanny, isn't it? You learn about profit targets in my Elliott Wave course. I'm sure you're asking yourself the question, what happens next week? As if I have a crystal ball. Well, my educated hunch is that we will have one more move up before we are headed lower. We cannot underestimate the severity of the $7.2 billion loss by Sakchun Trader and the impact that will have on markets next week. We are in for another volatile market. I will be looking for a 1-2-3 reversal pattern to go short this pair. So, keep this map in mind as you trade your positions. Good luck, and if you want to ask me what I think during the week, please email me at jody@fxtradersedge.com. So let's follow this pair together over the next several weeks. Come into my trading room, but first, sign up for the Elliott Wave course so you have the knowledge to understand our language. Again, please go to tradingpostfinancial.com/Elliott Wave/ or fxtradersedge.com to sign up for the course and learn more about us. This is the end of the Trade of the Week series. Well, the comment for this week. Happy trading.